Is your external component the Easyhook Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Easyhook, Windows API hooking library links. Before diving into the manual fix for Easyhook Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Easyhook Library. The Easyhook Library. It provides a localized unmanaged framework for injecting localized code into other processes and hooking system calls, frequently used in localized security research and game modding. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If the host software cannot locate Easyhook Library DLL, it indicates a corruption in the Easyhook, Windows API hooking library, subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Easyhook Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Easyhook Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Easyhook Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Easyhook Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.